What happens during my first visit? If you've never been to a chiropractor before, it's normal to feel unsure about that first visit. Your appointment starts with a conversation. We listen to what's going on, what you've tried, what you're hoping for. Then we do a simple evaluation to understand what's happening with your body. We explain everything before moving forward. Nothing happens without your agreement. Our goal is for you to leave feeling informed, comfortable, and confident about your next steps.